Hello, and welcome to another how-to video for the OptimalCloud. Windows Hello is a Microsoft authentication technology that replaces user ID and password logins to your Windows desktop or laptop. Windows Hello supports PIN authentication, FIDO2 key authentication, fingerprint biometrics, and facial recognition biometrics. Windows Hello can be registered as a device authentication mechanism in the OptimalCloud for performing multi-factor authentication. This video will show how to register Windows Hello for device authentication and how to use Windows Hello for device authentication for multi-factor authentication. Let's look at setting up Windows Hello for device authentication. The first step is to go to the account settings on your home portal and select multi-factor token device options. The first time we try to do this, we will have to do multi-factor authentication, and I'm going to use my mobile device for that. So now I'm going to type in the passcode I was sent. And now I can continue on to set up Windows Hello as a device authentication option. Next, click Add Token Device. Select Device Authentication, and then click Next. Give your device a name. Once again, this device will refer to Windows Hello on your Windows desktop or laptop. Select Next, and then scan your fingerprint or put your PIN number in. Now you've set up Windows Hello as a device authentication mechanism. You can test it by clicking Test MFA, selecting this device, and click Verify. There you go. That's all you need to do to set up Windows Hello for Windows device authentication. Thank you for watching this how-to video on adding Windows Hello as an authentication device. Please check out the rest of our how-to videos and let us know if you have any comments. You can reach us at sales@optimalidm.com and at support@optimalidm.com. Thank you.